Nyakoromoga jonko pogre gi mano atiri nyaka e weche maluoro mag somo. Atamalo 80 mag jopuonj mag grade 7 e kaunti ma Homa Bay oyangi ni osedonjo e skunde mane opuodhi ne chenro mar somo e sekondar ma Adundo nyaka ne chenro mar rwako jopuonjre e skunde chakre wuok tich mar jumani. County Commissioner Moses Lilan okoni thoth skunde ma itime somo mar sekondar ma Adundo jopuonjre mag grade 7 osedonjo kendo gidhi nyime gi chenro mag somo. Lilan omedo ni migawo mar arita kwe, bad migawo mar somo kod jokanyo mamoko e sekta mar somo sani dhi nyime kendo giluorore e kor gwenge mondo gine ni atamalo 20 mag jopuonjre ma odonjo e skunde ka chop giko jumani. County ma Homa Bay kod kwan skunde mag piny owacho maromo 764 mane opuodhi ne chenro mar junior secondar.
Good progress in terms of the transition from class grade 6 to grade 7. Many schools that had been approved have reported that they have received the grade 7 candidates, and it is important for me to say that as at yesterday, all the approved schools reported 80% enrollment. 80% enrollment. We are going around to all the approved schools, the Ministry of Education, the National Government Administration, and many other stakeholders, KICD, are on the ground just to ensure that the textbooks that had been approved are being distributed to the various schools. TSC also is working around the clock to ensure that the teachers who are supposed to be teaching in those junior secondary schools are posted to the various schools. As I said, 80% of the students had been enrolled by yesterday in Homa Bay. That tells you we still have another 20% who are in the process of joining this junior secondary school. We want to ask the parents, the teachers also in the various schools to make full account of the grade 6 candidates, because our expectation is that we should have 100% transition.